second grade. Have you ever played the game Flappy Bird? Today you'll code your own Flappy Bird game. Keep watching. On the home page, slide down for Technology. Click Technology. On the Online Tech page, slide down and pick Second Grade. Click Second Grade. Today's Google Classroom assignment says Second Grade Computer Programming. This is Lesson 8. This week, build a Flappy Bird game. Watch the video lesson, then click the link to code.org. Code your own Flappy Bird game in Lessons 1 through 11. Click the link. Let's watch the video together.
Hey everyone! One of the most exciting things about computer science is that a computer program can be interactive. Anytime someone clicks, taps, or types on a computer or phone, that generates an event. And there's some code that decides what to do when an event occurs. For example, you could have an event handler that says, when the mouse is clicked, play a sound. Let's try an activity to see how it works. Have you ever heard of the game Flappy Bird? By using event handlers, you can learn how to program your very own custom version of Flappy Bird. The code you'll write involves dragging and dropping blocks that represent commands for the computer. Drag and drop programming is the easiest way to learn. It's even how university students start learning to code. But under the hood, each of these blocks is represented by real code. If you take a look at the workspace, there are some green blocks that are filled in for you. These are event handlers. If you want the bird to flap when you click the mouse, you can do that by attaching the flap block to the appropriate event handler. And now in your game, whenever you click the mouse, the bird will flap. In each puzzle in this activity, we'll introduce new types of events as green blocks on the workspace, and you can decide the appropriate block to add in response to those events. When you see a drop-down arrow like this, that means you can change the settings, like what sound to play when Flappy hits the ground. In the final puzzle, you'll be able to create your own game and share it with your friends. Have fun!
When the video is over, click Continue. On each puzzle, make sure you read the directions. This says to attach a flap a normal amount block to when click event. Then press Run. Click or tap on the play screen to move Flappy to the target. Let's try it. Click OK. Flap a normal amount to when click. You can also play the wing sound. Then click Run. To play the game, you have to tap the screen. Get him to the target. Nice job. Now click Continue. The When Run event allows you to run code as soon as your game starts. Try adding a block that sets the level speed when the Run button is pressed. Set speed to a normal amount. Then click Run. Tap your screen. Nice job. You got the target. Click Continue. Puzzle 4 says, now we've added the ground. Attach the end game block to the when hit the ground event. We're going to end the game if you hit the ground. Click Run and tap your screen. Now click Continue. Flappy will fly right through the obstacles unless you write code to make him crash. Attach a block to the when hit an obstacle event so that the game ends when Flappy crashes into the first set of pipes. End game when you hit an obstacle. Now hit Run. Tap your screen. Good job. Now click Continue. The icon in the workspace means that this level is part of a larger project. Changes will be saved across all these levels. You can hit the X. It says we've added a scoreboard to count the points when Flappy passes obstacles. Add a block to the When Pass an Obstacle event that scores a point. Then press Run to fly Flappy through this first set of pipes. Make sure you add When Score a Point to When Pass an Obstacle. Now, I'm not very good at this game, but I'll try it. Click Run and play. Uh-oh. Let's try it again. Click Reset. Oh, no. See if you can pass it. Hit Reset and run. Nice job, I did it. Now click Continue. It says to click the down arrow inside of Flap a Normal Amount block to pick a different flapping power. See if you can still score a point after making Flappy fly either a smaller or larger amount each time you click. That's here. Flap a very large amount or a very small amount or random. Try your game out. Try to finish puzzles 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 to finish your Flappy Bird game this week. Have fun with this game, and I'll see you next time.